And this is an active mining claim that I'm on. And the miners, or the people who have the claim, do use this cabin. That's probably why it's one of the better desert cabins around. I love this truck. But it's on their claim, so it belongs to them. Let's check out this cabin though. Like I said, this is one of the nicer ones. You can actually plug in 12 volt power because there's inverters in the area. That's probably the mattress that the miner uses, because if you're going to leave it in one of these cabins, you want to protect it as much as possible from the hantavirus. There's nothing in this dresser bureau. It's just for storage. Oh, sweet little puppy. You can see the rats have been getting inside the salt. Nice little stove there. And again, usually when you come across these places, they're pretty well maintained, and you just got to be respectful. Okay, that's broken. I'm not here to do repairs, so. That is a nice stove. You got all your pots and pans that you need. Look, you even got a big wooden salad bowl up there. Nice little propane stove, and there is attachments outside for propane. There is a water tank, but it's not filled. Yes, the microwave does work when you have 12 volt power. Another nice stove. Let's go check a look outside. Let me close this up. Alrighty, pull this back. And what you do for this one is you pull this so the door doesn't go completely flying open if the wind happens to pop it open. That's where the water tank's supposed to sit. It looks like they took it down. But you can still use it. You just got to put your own water up. Because the mining claim, I think it went invalid in 2022. That doesn't mean anything. So there's the propane hookup. And then right there you see the alligator clips. And then the inverter is actually inside the building. It's not that big. It's big enough to run that little microwave, and that's about it. Well, that's it. It's just a neat little desert cabin And I like to show these to you guys. So I shall catch you on the next one.